Welcome to YETI SMX. I'm Jamie,
I'm Kevin.
and today we're going to talk to you about YETI synchro drive gear ratios. So, a couple of things we learned about gear ratios. What we want to do is we want to offer some choices in the gear ratios that we've found were useful to the customer, whether you had a turbo bike, and a naturally aspirated bike, whatever the bike you want to run. And we wanted to show you and make it, when we started this, was make it easy to do, right?
Right. And so because it's so easy, we've also developed lots of gear ratios. We got about 9 different options just in the synchro drive that you can change and run lower or higher gearing.
So we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to change those gear ratios. So basically the YETI's been designed around 17 millimeter or 12 millimeter and all metric fine thread. So we're going to start swapping the gears here. So first thing I do is loosen the main bolts. So we have a main bolt here that holds the gear on the drive shaft, main bolt here that holds the gear on the jack shaft, and this is your tensioner bolt. So I'll start by loosening the top one. Kevin can start on that one, work on the bottom one here. Basically I'm going to leave this one in there because we're just going to swap the top gear out. And the tensioner off. So this is the tensioner tensioner nut.
And I just got 12 mil
wrench, loosen off the tensioner arm assembly. So we loosen that off, you cracked it loose. Basically I'm loosening off the tensioner arm, I'm sliding this tensioner over like this. Top gear comes out. So right now we're geared 41, 47, 1.14 gear ratio. And we're going to move it to 45, 47. So we're going to open up, thanks for opening up that arm a little bit more.
So we have gear option selections, and what we do is we change gears by 2 teeth at a time, which gives you about a 5% change for every gear ratio. Just pull this while you tension this up.
So one thing I want to talk about this is we have a lot of customers that have SX bikes with close ratio 5-speed transmissions, and we have a lot of customers with wide ratio bikes with the 6-speed wide ratio transmissions. So what we've in essence done here, if you have a 5-speed close ratio motocross bike, and let's say you're going 50 miles an hour in your current gearing combination with the 41, with the smaller, the original gearing, 41, 47, you're going 50 miles an hour. So by changing to the next tooth up, couple tooth up, you're going to 45 now, 47, you're actually picking up 26%, and you're picking up 13 miles per hour. So let's say you're going 50, now you're going 63. So if you're riding with your buddies, your 5th gear pinned in your close ratio 5-speed bike, and you're just, you're really cruising, and you feel like you're killing your bike, you're going 50, your buddies have all checked out on you. You do a quick gear ratio swap, now you're going 63, chances are you're going faster than they are. And we found this very useful.
And we'll do more on belt tensioning and stuff like that later, but we tighten the tensioner bolt to get the right deflection in the belt, and it's simple. We've got graduation marks in there. We just do a 2-thumb push, and what you're looking for is 5/16 deflection. We have a gauge that actually clips in there, and that gives you the right tension, which is 400 Newton meters, but that's what we're looking for.
Yep, very simple. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you next time.
See ya.
Take care.